To set up the connection, go to the System Designer, find the Import and Integration section, and select the Kafka Connection Network. Page for configuring the Kafka connection will open. Set up the connection to Kafka using the specified parameters and also configure the topic for the recipient.
Click
The Save button. Go to System Settings. Find the Kafka Auto Start setting.
Open.
The setting. Set the default value option. After that, you need to restart the application pool. Once we've restarted the pool, we go to the Kafka integration section. In this section, we can see the system log messages from Kafka. If we've successfully subscribed to the topic, we'll see a message like the one on the screen. In the Offset Explorer application, you can monitor the Kafka pool. Here, you'll see that the consumer has connected. Let's test sending and receiving a message. Open the System Designer. In the System Setup section, open the Lookups tab.
The
List of lookups, find the lookup called queue of messages. Open it.
this
Section should be populated with messages according to the application's logic. But now, to test message sending, we'll create a test message manually.
Messages.
Are sent by a timer, but this time we won't wait for the timer to send the message. We'll send it ourselves. To do this, we'll go to the Kafka integration section, click the Options button, then the Actions button, and select Initiate Sending to Kafka. We'll see that the message has been sent. Now we've switched to the Sent Messages queue, and we can see that the property of this message, sent, is set to true, meaning the message has been sent. If we open Offset Explorer, we'll be able to see the sent message.
To
Check the incoming message. We go back to the Directories section and find the queue of incoming messages directory.
let's open it.
We see the received message here because we've set up receiving messages from the same Kafka topic we sent to.